automated storage and retrieval system for production and inventory management of a garment factory. This system consists of conveyors and elevators spanning multiple buildings. The system manages inventory flow across various fabric manufacturing steps and tracks, stores, and retrieves garments at different stages. A user-friendly interface enables an operator to input item specification and quantity, as well as perform data revisions as a result of inspection. Elevators and conveyors work simultaneously to maintain automatic, continuous flows. This streamlines and connects manufacturing processes encompassing material selection, fabric cutting, component picking, and finished garment storage and retrieval. Linear transport is accomplished via roller conveyors, and vertical transport is enabled by multiple elevators. Actions spanning selection, sorting, storage, and retrieval are all guided by AI algorithms. A basket can transport 2 boxes and deliver them to separate locations. Real-time order updates provide feedback to the system, enabling optimal fabric selection and storage allocation. Alongside the main production ASRS, multiple sub-storage retrieval systems manage item inspection, retrieval, and allocation. Algorithms prioritize empty pallet delivery to the closest cell. Algorithms also determine the shortest and fastest route between all locations for storage and retrieval.